All right, you guys, so this is the trunk of my 2022 Subaru Outback Wilderness, and I have here a portable air mattress from Coverado. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to set it up, get it pumped up and all that stuff, and tell you my thoughts on this thing. Just for full disclosure, I already opened this up, I already set it up, made sure it fits. I wanted to make sure that I knew how to use it before making this video, so that's why it's kind of in this wrinkly state right now. Let's go ahead and get started. It should be a pretty quick video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is drop the seats. As you guys can see, the Outback has a lot of trunk room right here in the back. Just to give you guys an idea of the space back here. So from that seat to about the edge of where the tailgate is right here, about 75 inches. Let's do 74 to be on the safe side. So there's lots of space there, and we're going to be filling it up with this air mattress. So let's go ahead and open it up, show you guys what's inside. Set this aside. All right, so in the box you have the air mattress itself. This thing measures in at 63 inches in length, 41 inches in width on this side right here without the arms that go that way. The wider side measures in at 56 inches. And then as far as thickness goes, I believe it is 5 inches thick. I do want to mention that this is a soft top and the bottom is a pretty thick material, which is good because you'd want it to support at least 2 people if you ever plan on traveling or camping using this. So moving on, we have a portable pillow, which you stick on that side or whatever side you want to sleep on. And then in this bag right here, we have these attachments that you can use for the pump, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Charging cable for the pump and some patches. Yes, this is thick material, but you just never know if you accidentally stab it with your keys or something like that. You'd want to have these things on hand. So that said, I am going to go over the pump itself, and yes, it is portable like I mentioned, so no need to worry about buying another separate pump for this. So as far as the pump goes, it's conveniently located right here, and in order to use it, simply open this door. I'll show you the buttons up close. There's a handle here where you can pull it out just like so, and then you have your inflate button, your off button, and then your deflate button right here. And then on the back of it, there's a built-in light which you can hang up just like that. Pretty cool stuff. So according to Coverado, if this is fully charged, it can inflate and deflate the mattress around 4 to 5 times. So you always want to keep this fully charged, especially if you're going to be gone for a few days. But it's really convenient. All you do is take the charging cable, plug it in right there to any standard cube, and you should be good to go. So without further ado, I'll show you guys the process of inflating this thing. All right, so first things first, you take your pump, plug it in there, it should click, and then you want to press the inflate button right here. And just a few seconds in, and it's already rising up. I'll probably speed through this part right here, but it's not going to take long to inflate this mattress at all. All right, it's been about a minute, and once you're happy with the firmness of it, go ahead and hit the off button right here. And then once you're done pumping it up, go ahead and just close the door. Or like I said earlier, take it out if you need it as a light. Once you take this thing out, it's not going to lose any air over here. I think there's a shutoff valve in there somewhere. But yeah, look at that. It's super convenient. It takes less than, I don't even know how long, less than 5 minutes to get it to this state right here. And then as far as the pillow, you simply take the pump, take one of these attachments, plug it in to here like so. And then there's this little tab on top that you want to unplug. So you take the attachment, stick it in there, and go ahead and hit inflate. You should pump it. And then once you're happy with the firmness, go ahead and just set it aside anywhere you want to sleep. I just wanted to show you guys the fitment. So there's plenty of room left over on the back. And you guys can see pretty much fills in the width of the entire car. And then you can even slide it up some more so that you have some more leg room back here. For being a universal kit, I think it fits pretty well. It doesn't impede with the door functionality or anything like that. And so that's what that looks like. And there's plenty of room in the back right here so that the trunk should have no issues closing. So I'm actually gonna put all my weight onto this and jump inside as if I were gonna go camping. And the windows are open, that's why it's kind of bright in here. So I'm gonna go close the trunk. you got yourself a nice little cabin here. Before I forget, we have the light. This thing is bright. Let's see, maybe I can hang it up right here maybe? Yeah, there we go. Looks like it works there, so yeah. Pretty freaking cool if you ask me. So like I said, there's still plenty of room in this area right here for anything that you don't want to store up top whenever you're camping. And then if you move the seats up a little bit, it's actually easy to access all this stuff down there as well. So you can store a lot of stuff in the footwell right here where the back seats are. And I can't stress how cool this pump and light is. Super convenient. Only thing is, like I said, do not forget to charge it. Okay, so to better demonstrate this, because obviously you guys couldn't see me jump in there, got my wife right here. She doesn't really want to be seen, so she's got that beanie. Told her to jump in there with our guinea pig. Here, take Gracie. So there we go. I'm jumping on here as well. There we go. Look, I'm on here completely. And it feels nice. Got plenty of room. I think she likes it too. All right, so back on the tripod. Let's say you're done using this thing. All you have to do, same steps, plug this in, and then press that deflate button right there. And there we go. So now, once you're done deflating it using the pump, you can simply fold it and then put it away. Or honestly, you can just leave it here if you plan on using it again. But just wanted to show you guys how easy to use this entire thing is. Oh, and I did forget to mention, if you don't want to use the pump to deflate, then there's also this thing right here where you can just unplug it. So pretty well thought out product. And I'm super happy with it. And once you're done, simply just throw everything back in the bag. There we go. As far as this video goes, I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. Again, this is the Coverado portable air mattress with a built-in pump. Super easy to use, as you guys just saw. This product will be linked in the description so you guys can check it out for yourselves. Again, thank you to Coverado for sending me this product. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I'll catch you in the next one.
Hey guys, welcome back. I'm excited to do another video about the Hyundai Santa Fe. Recently, I was contacted by a company called Coverado. They specialize in seat covers, and I'm guessing they discovered my channel through the L-seat videos featuring my Saab. While they don't currently have seat covers available for the new Santa Fe or the somewhat niche Saab, they had something else that caught my attention. Now, admittedly, I usually don't get excited about these kind of products, but this one has a pretty unique feature that sets it apart from other ones, and it should work with Saabs and other cars too. So let's dive in and check it out. Along with the mattress, you get a pillow, a set of pump fittings, a USB-C cable, and of course the instructions. But here's where it gets exciting. The standout feature of this mattress is its built-in rechargeable pump. Unlike other car air mattresses that rely on your car's 12-volt outlet, leaving you with wires all over the place, this pump eliminates the hassle entirely. And this pump has even more features that I'll share with you later in the video. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this. I mean, there's an inflate button right here, so I'm just gonna press it and see what happens. So we'll see how it fits on this car. Oh man, it's perfect. Okay. I like how it has a little lip right here. I guess that's where the head goes. But you also have this pillow, which is nice. 소율아, 여기 안에 들어가 봐. 자기야, 이거 봐봐.
Wait, I can sleep there?
Yeah, you can sleep there.
It's crazy! Wow! Oh, 애들밖에 못 자네?
Yeah.
자네? Only
Only children. Yeah. This is nice. It'll be,
down too!
yeah, like that. Yeah, it's so good. 너무 좋다. 그래.
Right?
Yeah. And now for the best part that I mentioned earlier. The pump is not only rechargeable, but it's also detachable and doubles as a camping light. Features 2 brightness levels and even a flashing mode for emergencies or added convenience. Plus, with the fittings I showed earlier, you can use this pump to inflate other items, making it super versatile. The design is sleek, compact, and easy to stow away in its little pocket. For my SUV, this mattress is a game changer. Sure, I could fold down all the seats for more room, but there are times when the back is packed with gear, and that's when this mattress really shines. For sedan owners, this product could transform your day camping trips or long drives into something far more comfortable. In conclusion, I genuinely like this product. Coverado has done a fantastic job with the material quality and the execution of the pump. They also offer a full-size air mattress specifically designed for SUVs, and I'm hoping they'll send me one for review because this one has really impressed me.
Welcome back to Hugh's Garage. Today I got something pretty cool from Coverado. It's an inflatable air mattress for an SUV. We're going to get this thing pulled out and we're going to check it all out and see how it fits. Alright, once you get it out of the bag, which is actually really nice, good material, you'll be able to store it in the back of your SUV or anything like that when you go camping. We got it out. Looks like it comes with like a little pillow that's inflatable. Then here is the air mattress. It has like a little battery pack that comes in it, and it is backwards. Let's check this out. This thing's pretty cool. You can inflate it, you can deflate it, put it off, and this piece actually comes out, and it's actually like a little lantern light, which is actually really cool. And this is a rechargeable battery pack and inflator. Really cool. We're gonna blow this thing up and check it out, and then we'll put it in my wife's SUV, see how it fits. It does come with a charging cable, which is pretty cool. Little repair kit in case you have a little mishap with a knife or something. Comes with these adapters, obviously a user guide. It's very straightforward to use. Another great thing about it is that it's rechargeable. So USB-C port, which is good because everything takes a USB-C now. So you won't have trouble finding this to charge it. You can charge it in your car, anywhere you need to. I have inflated and deflated this thing probably 8 times already during the length of this video, and it is still rocking and rolling. So it's got a pretty good battery pack in it. This thing is really solid, man. Really good. I'm impressed. All right, I'm gonna press inflate and we'll see how long this thing takes to blow up. You just press it in, starts doing its thing. You're gonna wanna make sure this thing is set up for success. It's actually going a lot quicker than I thought it would. It's not that loud either. There it goes. It's gonna blow away on me. Didn't take long. This is what it looks like installed. Like I said, it comes with a little pillow. This thing's actually really cool. Man, if you got a Jeep or something, or you're just off-roading and, you know, camping up in the mountains or wherever, and you don't have a tent, you just said, you know what, I'm just gonna camp out in the car instead of laying on the hard seats. Get this air mattress. The cool thing about it is it has this, the whole thing goes the whole length of the vehicle. Kind of gives you stability, that way you're not, you know, caving in. I like it where it's at too, because if you need to deflate it, you ain't got to do nothing crazy. Go ahead and deflate it, roll it up, put it back in the bag, and it'll be there ready to go when you're ready. It deflates really quick too. I mean, that's quick. You do have to manually blow up that pillow, but honestly guys, it takes 2 minutes. Not a big deal at all. I just love this thing. I love the light on it. So take that out if you need a light, you know. Once you blow this up, it'll stay inflated and you can hang this thing up. Let's see. You know, just hang it up right here or something. Got your light for reading. Man, you can't beat the quality of this thing. I want to give a shout out to Coverado for sending this to me to review it. It's a great product, especially if it's just you. I mean, that's plenty of room. It's comfy, and the quality is just incredible. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.